Welcome back to 6'2" Handyman channel.
Today we are installing this Allen Roth faux light. It's a 4-foot LED flush mount ceiling fixture. Not sponsored, just something that I'm doing. So this is the light here, comes with this. It's just usually screwed into the sides. And it's gonna be going on the ceiling, covering this mess where the old one was. The old one was an old halogen bulb that flickered a lot. So first step is mount. Always make sure your power's off. Which I believe this one is because the light switch is down over here. There's one. Messed up. Alright, next step. Not losing the screws. Hanging it up so that way you can now connect your cables. They're color coded, black to black, white to white, and your yellow to green for your ground. You have your different light settings in here. Cool daylight. We'll figure it out. Pretty sure that's why that is there. Alright. Now to test out of it, make sure it tests so you have it correct. You just turn the light switch on now. If you have it correct, it should turn on. Woo! See what settings, brightness I want to change it to. There's that one. I think that one should do it. That'll be good. Alright, so now it's got to put screws in. Alright, and there we go. Under. How it's going to be. It's got no other mounting positions. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's a simple light.